Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can download Hinge app. So for that, firstly you have to open your Play Store app, and once you have opened the Play Store app, you can tap on the search option which is located on the bottom right corner of the screen and type Hinge in it. As you can see, you can download Hinge app directly from Play Store, but due to some reason, Hinge application has been banned in our region. So if you are suffering from the same problem, I have a solution as well. So for that, firstly you have to open your browser. It can be any browser and type Hinge app APK. Once you search for Hinge app APK, you can see a link from Softonic. When you click on it, you will be redirected and you can download Hinge app through this site. Now click on free download. Tap on the free APK download option again. And once you have pressed the option, your download will be started. The file has already been downloaded, so you have to just tap on open and install the app. Once you have installed the app, you can directly open it by clicking on the open option or click on the done option, and when you search for the Hinge app in your mobile device, you can easily get it. So this was it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.